Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy and I make videos about our allotments, sort of like vlogs, and about food sometimes. Today I am on the allotment. We are based in Kent in the UK, which is right down in the southeast of England. And today what I'm doing is, it's all about flowers today. I've got a lot of seedlings and plants in my greenhouse that should have been planted out weeks ago. However, we had some cold spells, so I held off, but it's getting desperate. So I'll show you all the things I've got to plant out. I've just got them out of the greenhouse and put them on the table out there, just there. There's quite a lot actually. Not really sure where I'm going to put it all, but it is flowers, so a lot of it will go in pots anyway. So yeah, I've got my new Neela thing. This was just £1 from Tesco, so I'm going to use that. And yeah, I've also got some sunflower seeds to sow in the greenhouse. And what else was I going to do? Oh, some tumbling tom tomatoes, because I ran out of compost at home, so I couldn't do them. Yeah, so let me show you what I've got to plant out and then try and work out where it's all going to go. So while I was just sitting in the greenhouse, I was just sitting on a bag of compost, which I didn't realise was wet. Now I've got a wet bum, but never mind. Right, let me show you what we've got. Okay, so we've got all these ranunculus here, got these sweet peas, we've got these dahlias, not many because a lot of them died, so we'll see with that. Down here we've got some cosmos. I've got some of this, I don't really know, is it Amy? But all that's got to go out. These are very sorry looking snapdragons, but I'm going to put them on and hope that they're all right. These aren't flowers, these are celeriac and some basil, but I just need to pot them on. I've got these sweet peas, and then I've got all these ranuncular corms. These are from Farmer Gracie. These ones, I've got 2 packs of white ones and 2 packs of pink ones. That's 30 of each. I've soaked them overnight so they're nice and hydrated, and we're going to put these ones straight in the ground. Also got some larkspur as well. I've never grown it before, so I'm assuming this is what it's supposed to do, hopefully, but it is starting to get the little buds on the top now. So I've just started to do a little bit of weeding where I want to put all my ranunculus, because there's just a few weeds, and I've already stung. I never wear gloves, I hate wearing gloves, and I've stung my hand 4 times already, so I had to give in and put gloves on. And now I'm actually going to go down to my other plot, because my plot neighbours have just turned up on this one, and they've decided to work in the bed literally right next to where I was. So I can't really film anything because they'd be in the background, so I'm going to go and do the jobs on the other plot. So I've filled the wheelbarrow up with the sweet peas because they are going on the other plot, and I'm going to wheel them down and then I'll show you what we're going to do with them. So the plan is to use these, which I've just realised they don't have drainage holes in, so I'm going to have to try and put some holes in them, and they are going to, they're going to go along, and they'll stand up better obviously once they've got stuff in it. They're going to go along there, so then the sweet peas will grow all up here, and then that'll be solid with sweet peas, hopefully. That's the idea. We were going to have them here, and I might still put some along here and go, they can grow over, but I think we decided to put some lavender in this bit now. So I've got one of these at home, and when I did it at home I just used a screwdriver just to poke the holes in. I haven't got a screwdriver here, so I've got this weed thing and a fork, just to see what works better really. try and push some holes in. It's not really making a hole, though, it's just making a slit. Might need to use some scissors maybe. Or what if I do it from the other side? Just try. 4 holes be enough? Give it a go. Right, now to do the others. Right, so I've put the holes in them, but the compost is on the other plot, so I'm gonna have to go back and get that. This is the trouble when you have 2 plots that are a little bit, I say a little bit, it's probably about 50 metres. It's not far, but it's always whatever you want is on the other one, no matter what plot you're on. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get the compost, and then I can fill these little trough things up. Right, I'm probably going to put, and they can't really see me very well, I'm probably going to put about 4 in each one so that it's nice and bushy. I have pinched the tops off, so they have started to bush out a little bit. This is the kind of thing that I probably don't need my gloves on for, and they just get in the way. Okay, so probably going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, probably nearer the, yeah, probably like that, probably nearer the back. And then what I might do, depending on how they grow, I might just put a little row of something that's low at the front, so then that side will grow up the fence, and then maybe some, I don't know, something small in there. So I'm gonna make quite a nice big hole. And I'm just going to put the whole pot in. Look at that, roots, good roots on it. So I'm just going to do that, and then I will move them over there, and these are actually long enough that I can already start to wind them into the fence once they're in.
I hear a mister's voices calling, somewhere country all around me will come to look the same. There's a place from whence I came. Any more for?
So that's them ones all popped in there, and I've just sort of lent some against the fence, and then hopefully, as I say, they'll all grow up there. And then I had some spare ones that I've just popped in here. Don't know how well they'll do over here because this bed hasn't, I think Mum said she needed to dig it again, but I put them right up to the edge, so then we've still got the space to put things in front of it, and they'll go up the fence there. So they're the spare ones. So I'm now going to do my sunflowers. So I've got this sort of multi-pack one. It's got all different ones in. So these are the ones it's got. This one I'm very excited about growing, because I've not done before. So these can be sown straight outdoors, but I like to sow them in pots first and then move them out, so that so that I know where I'm going to put them, because I don't always know where I'm going to put them straight away. And then I know if any of the seeds don't take or whatever, then I know that, and I can just plant out the actual plant. So I'm going to put these into pots. that's the sunflowers. I probably will do more because I've only done 5 of each. So this is the Colour Parade, this is the Pacino Gold, this is the teddy bear ones, and this is the Red Sun. And then I decided that the Italian White, because it's good for cut flowers, I'm actually going to put them into a bed. And then over here I've just done some more teddy bear ones directly into this big pot, because they only grow to 2 foot high, so they're a dwarf one, so they'll be all right in there. And then these ones in here are the Russian Giants, and these are the proper tall big sunflowers. So how many is there? There's 10 of them. So I've just pulled all the weeds out from this bit here. Now I'm just giving it a good soaking because it gets so dry. So I'm hoping that if I give it a good water before, it'll be all right for a little while. And this is where I'm going to put them ranunculus. I just tried to rest the hose through the little gaps in the fence so that I could go and get the rest of the stuff, and it it slipped, and now I'm soaked.
Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear your neighbors, dogs is barking. Soon the country all around me come to look the same. There's a place from where they came. Bring out your goods and your chattels and all the treasures that can travel. I'll fix the wheel and all the axles, see another day. We'll even come what may. Anymore for anymore. Hear the angels cry, but it's not his to sell to me, and it's not mine to buy. Hey, won't you come along with me?
But I still didn't get round to putting these on, or these, or these, or these, or these. It all just took a lot longer than what I thought it would, and now I've run out of time because I need to go home and do dinner. So I'm putting everything back in the greenhouse that I haven't potted out or potted on, and I'll have to come and finish it all off tomorrow if I get a chance. I'm at work tomorrow, but maybe I'll have a little bit in the afternoon. But I've been here like, well, I say I've been here 3 hours. I thought that would be more than enough just to pot a few things out. But obviously I'm either very slow or things take longer than what I think they do. So yeah, so that's all the flowers that I got planted out today, and the ones that I still got planned to do. But I'm gonna have to end the video here because, as I say, I need to go and do dinner. So I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Let me know if you're growing any flowers on your allotment or in your garden and what you're growing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.